Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Chendu. I'm from CSAIML branch. I'm going to explain about rainfall prediction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. Introduction. India's welfare is agriculture. The achievement of agriculture is dependent on rainfall. It also helps with water resources. Rainfall information in the past helps farmers better manage their crops, leading to economic growth in the country. Prediction of precipitation is beneficial to prevent flooding that saves people's lives and property. Fluctuation in the timing of precipitation and its amount makes forecasting of rainfall a problem for meteorological scientists. Forecasting is one of the utmost challenges for researchers from a variety of fields such as weather data mining, environmental machine learning, functional hydrology, and numerical forecasting to create a predictive model for accurate rainfall. In these problems, a common question is how to infer the past predictions and make use of future predictions. A variety of subprocessors are typically composed of substantial process in rainfall. It is at times not promising to predict the precipitation correctly by on its global system. Climate forecasting stands out for all countries around the globe in all the benefits and services provided by the meteorological department. Methodologies. REMA model stands for Auto Regressive Integrated Moving Average. This model is used for the time series prediction and analysis and forecasting. It contains four methods and is proposed by Box and Jengis. The following are the four steps used in REMA model. Stage 1. Identification of a series of responses is done in the first stage, which is used to calculate the time series and auto correlations using statement identify. Stage 2. In this stage, estimation of the previously identified variables is done and also the parameters are estimated using the statement estimate. Stage 3. Diagnostics checking of the above collected variables and parameters is done in this stage. Stage 4. In this stage, predicting values of time series are forecasted, which are future values, using the RMM model using the statement forecast. The parameters using in this model are P, D, Q, which describes P as the number of lag observations, Q as the degree of differencing, and E as the moving average order. And second methodology is artificial neural network. These are considered on the base of human neural networks. It is composed of specially organized with computing elements that they can learn and acquire the knowledge from the dataset. An artificial neural network is associated with nodes. Artificial NN activities mainly resemble human brain activities. ANN does the computations, pattern recognition, and so on. After building the ANN, they are trained with different datasets. Artificial neural networks have been compromised of two types: single layered neural networks, multi-layered neural networks. Here, backpropagation NN is being used. Firstly, have to train the NN by a dataset which is having both input and outputs. Firstly, the input is given to the NN. The weights which are given to neural networks are random numbers which are untrained. The value of weights which are given to the NN must have values in the middle of -n and +n. Weight training is used to decrease the error function in neural networks. By doing all this, it gives the output. If the output is incorrect, then adjust the weight on the NN by doing so on up to the resemblance. Output is given by the neural network. Then stop adding the weights and consider weights and check it if another data set. The weights considered in the next data set is the data goes wrong, then the process repeats. Backpropagation NN consists of three layers: input layer, hidden layer, output layer. In this backpropagation, NN comprises of 32 inputs and also having 185 neurons in the hidden layer. Hidden layer neural networks are calculated by sigmoid function. It is having one one neuron in the output layer. All these neurons are interrelated with each other. In backpropagation, neural network input signals are captured by input neurons and output signals are captured by output neuron. So it is called acyclic nature. Proposed methodology. The rainfall has been predicted using deep learning techniques. Two deep learning techniques which are used are multi-layer perceptron and autoencoders. Autoencoders are responsible in time series forecasting by performing the feature extraction. In the MLP is used in prediction and classification tasks. Firstly, the autoencoder extract all the non-linear features from the data. This autoencoder consists of three layers: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. The autoencoder extract all the non-linear features and then send to MLP. This helps in making a prediction. The performance of methodology is also evaluated by using RMSE, root MSE, and MSE means mean square error. The architecture given figure 3 show how the output of the autoencoder networks are connected to MLP using a sigmoid function. Here is a figure 3. Results. In multi-layer perceptron, input is taken from multi-levels and predict the future data from the past data. Generally, sensors are taken as input like wind sensor, light sensor, etc. But here using convolution neural networks to take the input from the past data. In this, the data is separated into training and testing and calculating mean absolute error, and from this, NN training. Number of iterations are being calculated and checking the best epoch value. The best epoch value results at 26th iteration as seen in figure 6. Here is the figure. Got the best performance at 20. When the training and testing is performed, there is a slight variation. It indicates mean square error is less, but when performed validation got the best performance at about 28. Now the training, testing, and validation set results are combined to get the best result at the targeted value. Conclusion. This deep learning approach for predicting the rainfall by using multi-layer perceptron and autoencoder neural network, comparing the present architecture with other state approaches. The results intend that in terms of MSC and RMSC, our proposed architecture outperforms remaining approaches. The accuracy can be measured by the MSC and RMSC comparing with the other models. In circumstances of water, resource, and management, human being life and the climate they pass possesses precipitation prediction is of huge importance. Wrong and unfinished estimation issues can be faced because the measurement of precipitation is influenced by subtle and local change and property. This provided a study of different types of methodologies used to forecast and predict rainfall and issues that could be found when applying different approaches to forecasting rainfall. Because of nonlinear relationship in rainfall datasets, and the ability to learn from the past, artificial neural network makes a superior solution to all approaches available. Thank you.